There are several important components you need to weld. The first is the welding box. This provides power and control to the welding process. The next component is the gas cylinder. You need this gas to protect your weld and prevent oxidation. The next component is the ground clamp. This allows electricity to pass through your material and heat up your work. The final component is the welding gun. This directs the electricity and adds material where you want. The type of welding we're going to do today is MIG. MIG stands for metal inert gas. MIG is known for being fast and easy to both learn and do. Another type of welding is TIG. TIG stands for tungsten inert gas. It is known for being precise but slow and hard to learn. There are many other types of welding, but today we're going to do MIG. Today we will be welding steel. I have two pieces of steel bar that I want to attach together with my MIG gun.